Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stream live music on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to go for your Spotify. Now we'll find your songs here. If you want to stream it, then minimize it. Now go to your Zoom app. Press on New Meeting. Now here you'll find the option of Share. Press on it. Now you can see here your Spotify. Press on it and click on Share. So this is how to stream live music on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.